Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to use keyboard in Bluestacks for games. I show you guys how to do it. For example, I'm in Doctor Driving game. Just go inside the game. After you are in the game, you just need to select game controls. Click on it and select controls editor. And now you can able to see you can edit these settings like if you want to change this break to another letter like F, type here F for break and change this W to R for driving and change this controller to arrow, left and right arrow, as you can see. After changing these, select the save option to save changes. And now just to go back and you can play the game with these controls guys. Brake is for F and R is for accelerator, and this right arrow and left arrow is for right left, as you can see. I just doing brake and turning around, and that's how it works guys. You can also go to this control editor and for any other specific games you can modify it like aim. You can just drag this and drag the point to specific aim, and you can change to any letter you want for firing and select the save option. And now whenever you are in the game, you just need to press the specific letter and it started firing guys. This is the way how you can modify these settings, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.